You look at me and you're just like, huh? I'm gonna say it again.
You
know something really funny? The camera's moving around.
I know.
I do. Oh my god. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what I'm doing? You're not guessing.
Yes.
What? What? Okay. It's my birthday. It's my birthday, babe. You know that? I knew that. Okay, hold on.
Happy birthday to.
Yeah, it's my birthday. My birthday's over in 2 hours. And then, actually, it's like an hour and 8 minutes, but anyway. And then, I have to wait 365 days until the next birthday.
Yeah. Silly.
Disney Channel.
Ooh. I'm always sleeping. No, we don't.
Oh my goodness.
This is a tank top. Tank top?
Roses have thorns. Roses have thorns. I have a dozen
my
roses
dad?
for my birthday because I am a dozen years old. I mean, what?
Or it doesn't.
Where it doesn't.
Okay.
Don't touch my phone.
I love my shoulder.
Hand sanitizer, so I can clean.
Oh, no.
You have lotion on.
I don't care. Alexa's watching videos.
But yeah, something's going on with her. My dad's not liking the video thing, and my birthday's over in like an hour and 5 minutes. So like, I know, and I'm about to go enjoy it. So like, bye.
He's at home, Skillers.
Bye.
Skillers, bye.